how do you actually position your client when it comes to getting them ready to position that marital estate so that when divorce does come, they are in the best position?
I think that's a tough question because we tell all of our clients every divorce is fact sensitive, so it depends on what you have and what you're doing versus what David's doing with his estate. But one of the things I think that we see is that the payor spouse all of a sudden doesn't have the overtime, doesn't have the bonus, and therefore, of course, has to use assets, of course now has to incur credit card debt, and then they say, well, but I had to incur this credit card debt, which you now have to pay for because things went down during the course of the litigation. And so I see some of that, and whether all of that's true or not.
So, because it's not just telling your client what he or she is spending, but also to keep your eye on the ball of what they're spending.
And
so in other words, do you actually tell people, and again, they're not divorced yet,
Yes.
but you're telling them, keep your credit cards close, be careful you're spending, watch what he's spending.
Check your checking account online, check what's going on.
You know, we talk about estate planning, tax planning. There's divorce planning.
I know, and it's somehow, it's a
Sorry,
taboo. I'm sorry we have to talk about it, but if it's going to happen anyway, or may very well happen, I mean, shouldn't we be planning for it?
Absolutely.